Hey everybody, today I'm showing you another cool automatic dumpling maker. I got one of these a few months ago and it was a cheap thing. I reviewed it and a lot of people actually watched it. So the way it works is that you press this and it actually creates your dumpling. Now this is one style. I saw that this is a new version. Works very similarly, but I thought if people wanted that and were interested in that, why not get this and review this as well. It's a little bit bigger than the other one. Let's see what's inside. I've not opened this. We'll see what's included. So this is everything that's included. This brush for cleaning. I think this is probably for actually putting your ingredients on it because it doesn't really have that much of a space anyway. You get this USB-C charging port. This turns it on and this actually makes the dumpling. So it's a little bit different from the other one. With this, you have your timer. You also have just one that you press like this and it makes your dumpling. Put your meat in the middle, for example. You press this or you actually activate the timer here and it counts down from 10. So that's one way to do it. This is your charging port. If I just want it once, I press this. This is what I'm using for these dumplings. This is cooked ground beef. This is sauce. You can use different sauce if you want. Dumpling wraps, and that's flour and water mixed. And this is the dumpling maker that does it like this. Put this all around it, then press that button. These were two electric motorized dumpling makers. Both of them are rechargeable. Both of them have simple mechanism. This has two buttons. One of them is for timer. For more information, please go to gadgetify.com. Also youtube.com/gadgetify. Thanks for watching.